All right, 6:43. We got 22 days till Christmas. There's so many great things to go do out in the community. So many festivals kind of kicking off.
Pop-up shops.
Yeah.
So many cool things. Go cut down a Christmas tree.
Are you going to cut down a Christmas tree?
I do the fake thing.
I cut mine down from the attic every year. I don't have
it feels about the same amount of work.
I know. It's sitting there. I just need to like assemble it now.
And that's what people are scrambling to do.
Yeah.
People got time. We're just now turned over the calendar to December. It's been very cold. We've had many freezing days now. Our first freeze was just last week, but as we've got these really cold temperatures, there's been a lot of moisture around, and the frost flowers, have you seen them?
Oh.
They've been taking place. They're very cool.
Explain this.
Okay, so usually they happen in bottoms or low-lying areas, but what you're seeing there is a plant that had a lot of moisture in it. As temperatures drop down into the 20s, that is ice that forms within the plant, and then it actually expands and comes out in ribbons. It's very fragile. It's almost like cotton candy. And this happens with multiple different plants. And a lot of people, if they're driving in the morning, it almost looks like trash. People would just think, oh, it's littered with trash all of a sudden. My brother-in-law, not my son-in-law, my brother-in-law was out hunting and saw multiple of these on our property on Thanksgiving. And this kind of happens.
That's so cool.
It's pretty common, but people don't realize what it is.
They're looking at.
Yeah, you got to get down close and take a look. It's fine ribbons of ice that comes out and curls. So thank you, Anita, for sending that picture in. We probably have several of those going on this morning as well. So just check your property or on your drive-through. Just be looking. They're pretty neat. All right, 7 degrees is the temp in Bismarck. It's 12 in Minneapolis, 27 in Oklahoma City. Arctic air to the north. It's kind of a Canadian air that's made its way down to Oklahoma, so it erodes away pretty quickly. It is definitely cold, but it won't be nearly as cold tonight and tomorrow morning. Snow ongoing through North Dakota, Minnesota, back over along the Great Lakes state, still getting lake effect snow. Has shoved just a little bit of cloud cover in northwestern and northern Oklahoma. This is our Lucky Star Skycam network live from Integris, breaking daylight. We're gonna have a gorgeous sunrise with these clouds around. 27 degrees is the current temperature, mostly clear over Will Rogers. It's 23 in Woodward, 21 in Ponca City, 24 in Stillwater. This is a very hard freeze that's been going on overnight and early this morning. If you got your pet water outside, make sure you check it this morning. It is likely frozen solid, but we will see warming temperatures pretty quickly here once the sun gets up above the horizon. Down to 16 for a feel-like temp in El Reno, 19 in Tecumseh, 19 in Okemah, teens for feel-like temperatures to the north, but winds are only about 5, maybe a gust or 2 to 10 miles per hour, so they are fairly weak. They'll actually change direction as high pressure moves by. We'll see a south breeze later today. Temps will warm into the 40s at lunchtime. 51 will be our afternoon high the way it looks. So we'll see a lot of 50s across central Oklahoma, sunny and a south breeze. It really will be a beautiful day for December. Temperatures just a couple degrees below average. 49 in Clinton, 46 in Tulsa, 51 will be the high in Durant. This time of year, that Arctic air to the north can make it down here pretty easily. That is really not showing up. And in fact, the pattern, while we've got several cold fronts and these blasts come down, they don't really lock in over Oklahoma, and we will see pretty dry conditions coming up. Here's how we're shaping up for tomorrow. Tomorrow, the front will be coming in from the north. We'll also have some rain coming in from Texas, crossing the Red River, coming into southern Oklahoma. Thursday is chilly. The next rainmaker over Texas comes directly over Oklahoma this weekend, but it's pretty moisture starved for the Sooner State. We look dry. We warm it up into your Monday, and then Monday evening, another front moves in. It's a strong one. Also passes by, mostly dry. So you see the pattern we're in, not a drop of rain right now in the forecast until about Tuesday of next week. We'll have some rain in southern Oklahoma, but for central, northern, western portions of the state, it's been 2 weeks. We'll likely go another 2 weeks before we get more widespread rain across Oklahoma. Kind of in the pattern since the summer. We go dry for a month, and then boom, we get heavy rain, and then we're dry for another month. It's not a great pattern. All right, lows will be in the 40s tonight, not nearly as cold, upper 30s, low 40s, I should say. We'll see a chance of rain tomorrow morning down in southern Oklahoma, and because of the clouds, only 40s tomorrow down to the south versus 60s in Oklahoma City. Rain chances continue in the afternoon for your Wednesday, but limited down to the south, which means we are dry all the way into the weekend for OKC. May see a few showers Tuesday. Right now, that's a 20% chance for now, guys. Looking ahead, back to you.